again from Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here once again with Jessica. Say hi, Jess.
Hi.
Hi. We are sitting inside of a 2020 Avalon, and we wanted to cover a feature that we haven't covered yet, and that's part of the Toyota Safety Sense package, the automatic high beams. So we'll talk a little bit about how they work, how to set it up, that kind of stuff. Go ahead, Jess.
All right, so your automatic high beam button, the sensor itself is controlled by a button right here to the left of your steering wheel. Looks like a little high beam with an A in it, or sometimes it's a high beam with the actual word auto underneath it. There will be a little green light. Make sure that green light is turned on. And that is going to tell your vehicle that you do want the automatic high beam feature. Now what the automatic high beam feature does is when you're driving down the road and your brights are engaged, it's actually going to look for other headlights or taillights, other vehicles, and it's going to take into consideration whether you need those brights right then or not, and it will actually dim your high beams to headlights so you don't end up blinding passerbys or vehicles in front of you or anything like that. So in order to use them, you have to make sure that your headlights are on in order to use your brights. So I'm actually going to turn my headlights all the way on since it's daytime, and during auto lights they won't turn on the headlights because the headlights aren't needed right now. And you still have to engage your brights like normal, which is pushing the stick all the way forward. When the stick is pushed all the way forward, in your MID right here, you will see the little green symbol for your high beam with the A in it. There we go. And that means your automatic high beams are on. When your high beams are needed, they'll be up in high beams. And when your high beams are not, like when a vehicle is passing, they'll automatically drop. You don't have to worry about being that person on the road that's blinding everybody anymore.
Well, that's simple enough, I guess. So if you guys have any questions about the auto high beams, how they work, how to set them up, or anything else in the Toyota Safety Sense package, please let us know. Thanks for watching.
Bye.